Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to fix inventory and updating in Shift4Shop. So if your inventory is not updating in Shift4Shop, it usually means there is a configuration, caching, or integration issues. So to fix that issue, you'll need to first check the product's inventory settings. So in your Shift4Shop admin, you will need to go with the products option and the manage products tab, and then just open the products right there in question and ensure the inventory control is enabled, stock level and quantity is correct. Also, the back order options are set as desired, and if inventory control is off, the system will not track stock as automatically and immediately. So you'll need to check the order settings also. So on the settings, go with the store settings and order settings and verify right there the deduct inventory on order is enabled and inventory sync setting match your expectation. And if deduction on order is disabled, stock won't decrease automatically. So then the next step is to clear the cache and rebuild the product data. And to do that, you will need to go with admin cache. So on the settings on the Shift4Shop, you will need to go with the store settings, then performance, and right there just click clear the cache and rebuild the products. Also, you will need to clear the browser cache, and to do that, you will need to go with three dots on the top right corner and then go with the settings below. After that, just go with privacy and security and then go with delete browsing data, and right here select the last 24 hours or last 7 days and go with delete data and check if the issue is still going on. Sometimes changes exist but the old numbers are cached. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.